Hi guys, welcome to Rust Part 2! I have Jacob in the background, because I'm bad at solo. Just fucking bad.
It's okay, Devin.
I need to make a wooden storage box. I don't have any wood. What? I have plenty of damn wood! Oh, hang up. That dick.
What was that, Devin?
No, bye,
All I heard
asshole!
was,
Or
I don't have
nothing.
any wood. Click.
Yeah, you hung up, asshole.
You left.
No, I didn't!
No, I didn't.
I didn't do shit!
I didn't do shit.
You'll see this later today, and you'll be like, yeah, see, I didn't do shit.
I didn't do anything, dude. Didn't do anything.
I'm gonna go get wood. That's a bear, that's moving.
I said got wood, and you didn't say anything. I'm like, what the hell? And then all of a sudden you started calling. I'm like, the hell, Devin? What the hell? Should I go? Yeah, I'm gonna go get a drink. From upstairs.
Swear to God, if it sounds like you're fucking in a barn gun, I'm gonna smack you.
Hold on, I don't want water. I want something yummy.
Okay, I have wood now. I can make a wooden storage box.
I see.
Hey, Jacob,
Yeah.
do you want to know how many frames I'm getting right now?
10.
No, I'm not playing World of War, asshole.
We never accomplished recording anything legit that day, by the way.
Fucking yesterday? Nope.
Nope. Game said no, man.
We were recording at 4 frames a second, guys. 4. 4 frames.
Hold on.
My animating software, its slowest is 7. 7. Torch. 6. I'm gonna put this in there, and this in there, and this, and this, and this, because fuck physics. Shit, what time is it? Okay.
I muted myself while I drink
Yay.
my chocolate milk, Devin.
Alright, so I'm gonna record till 5.
Till 5. That's half an hour.
I'm gonna keep them about half-hour episodes.
I see. No one's gonna watch them.
Well, was my other one like half an hour long?
I don't remember.
Okay, then what do you think, asshole?
My Feed the Beast are usually like 20 minutes long.
Well, okay, fine. I'll do 20-minute episodes, because that's so much better than a fucking half hour.
Well, I'm supposed to do 10. I keep trying to do 10, but it never works ever. Ever.
I kind of want to do
But I can't just end, right? I gotta finish what I'm doing.
God damn. It's like, no.
I'm like,
Oh.
I'll end the episode right after this.
I
Okay.
need arrows.
Hold on, just one more thing. I gotta finish this. Yeah.
So if you guys are making arrows, just remember, you get 4 for every 1. I made like 250 arrows.
Minecraft.
I made 250 arrows, man. And I got so fucked over. Because I made 1,000 arrows? Really? Because each one you make is 4. And I clicked 250. So I was fucking bored. And it says, okay, have 1,000 arrows. Oh, you can't hold that many. Oh, I guess you don't get your supplies back. Alright, we're gonna go hit Small Rat Town. You guys notice? It's all good. And there's no watermark still. And I have an intro now. And I'll have an extra. Probably. Right, Jacob?
What, Devin? I wasn't paying attention.
God damn it. I'll have an extra, right?
An extra what?
An extra, you know, an outro.
That's an outro, not an extra. What the hell's an extra?
The out part? I don't know.
It's called an outro.
Okay, whatever, smartass.
Extra. Did you ever get it off Skype?
I did. I think. This goes again. I don't want to fire.
See.
Put down the arrow. Thank you. Bail, bail, bail. Eat some chicken. And fucking run. Run like an African American. American. Oh, somebody built something. Oh, I can't hit tab. Tab is inventory for me.
You could hit tab.
No, I'm being chased by fucking rad bears. Oh, never mind, it's a rad wolf. My bad. My bad. Damn, frames down. So if I get an engagement, I'm fucked. I only have one arrow. Because I shot through into a bear. Dude, I got freaking 3 laser sights now. Well, technically I have 2 plus the blueprint, which I just went. Medkit. God damn it, give me the fucking supplies, asshole. You guys should leave a comment and tell me what I should do in this video. Or the next one, or whatever.
Really? What are you gonna do in this video? Yeah, let me see.
Okay. Go for
Tell
it.
me what I should do with what I already recorded. Do it, guys. Do it.
Maybe I'm on Twitch too. You don't know, asshole.
Are you?
On Twitch. I don't have a Twitch account.
I do. Not like I could live stream you if I wanted to.
Your internet's so bad.
My internet would say nope. They would see a slideshow. Like 3 pictures per hour.
It's the slowest slideshow I've ever seen. I would like an M4 now. I have plenty of ammo for it.
Hold on, Devin. I'll be right back.
Okay. I don't get why he says, I'll be right back. Just mute your mic and go away.
Because I mute my mic, you
Oh
weirdo.
shit! God damn it. I'm like, I don't care why he does this. Blah, 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 blah. And then you're like, fuck back, bitch.
Guess what? Don't your viewers hear me pee? Because if you do, I can always unmute the mic.
God damn it. You just- God damn, stop that. I thought you took the headset off. Nope. Just... God damn it. Oh. I should've got this house.
So should I do it? Should I do it or should I mute it? Should I mute it, Devin?
Yes. Ooh, this guy's house is open. Jacob. Someone took everything.
What?
They took everything I was gonna take.
I see. You know,
I could live here. Just fucking move in. I'd have to wall off that. Oh, I didn't see that one. I'd have to get a new wall. They blew open the wall, Jacob.
what?
To the house I was thinking
What
of.
do you
moving
have?
in. It's gonna move into a house,
I
asshole.
see. Because I can totally see what you're doing.
The fucking wall is gone. So I got in there. I'm like, I should check out this house. And I walked in, and it goes.
So it might cut out here in a second.
Are you into your garage again?
Ow. I'm back, Devin.
Where'd you go?
Devin. I was outside.
Oh.
My friend brought over an anvil. And he's like, "Did you see the anvil?" And I'm like, "What? What anvil?" He's like, "It's in the backyard." And I'm like, "Oh, okay, hold on."
Oh. I was hoping I could record an airdrop today.
Nope.
Nope. They activate after 10 people are on the
Today.
server. It looks like I'm cutting elephant feet. I want more people, asshole.
That's nice, Devin.
I need to get on the server more so I don't lose all my shit every time.
Why don't you do it?
Bitch, I forgot it was even fucking Friday, okay? God, gotta go down to the fucking DLD. That thing fucked us over so bad.
I know.
I need to kill that pig.
Multiplayer. Skylag.
Why are you going to Skylag, Jacob?
I'm gonna go get $250, Devin.
I might go get the IM2.
If I told you they fucking put more parkour.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Damn right. I'm like, I don't want to fucking do more parkour. I'm so tired of parkour. You guys don't even know. We have like fucking 2 months of playing parkour.
You don't even know. And then on our Skyland server,
We have 1 episode.
what do they do?
More
Parkour.
Pig die! No! Run away! I need that pig. I need it for
God.
Funis.
Damn it.
Jacob.
I love how, you know, you're like, I'm gonna move your platform down so that you only take a half a heart of damage when you fall. I still die all the time falling off of it.
I'm sorry, it's better than half my hearts. Okay. Fucking bears, man.
Maybe you should ride down the waterfall,
It's
jackass.
too slow. I'm sorry, it's too slow, okay?
Wow.
And 3 blocks.
Not my problem.
Okay.
Okay, Gavin.
I'll go to another pick.
So what happens if I build it all the way up to the very top?
As long as you have water all the way around it.
And you spawn off? Why? So you could just fall?
Yeah.
I'll just put holes that fall all the way down to the ocean level.
Oh my god. It's like ass. I hope this isn't like last time's episode. I fucking start dying of radiation.
Or, you know, when it just cuts.
Nah, man, I got like 100 gigs free, man. I can record 1 episode.
Nope. 1.
I'm only recording 1 episode right now. God damn it. I need to get better at this. Guess what, Jacob?
What?
I'm dying of radiation.
Hey, Devin, you know what you could do?
What?
When you go visit your mammy on the weekends,
I don't have to do that anymore,
you take your
Jacob.
computer. Oh. Or you say you take your computer and you record 2 episodes since it's every other week, okay? And you record 2 episodes on that Saturday. Then you have it until the next time. And then you record 2 more episodes.
Have you not been on the mic with me when I'm at my mom's house?
No.
It's fucking loud as hell, man. Fuck that. My mic fucking picks up everything in the goddamn house. Fucking Oh, someone's an asshole.
Why?
So, these loot containers don't despawn if there's loot in them. And someone got a
Yeah.
red chest, which is medical supplies. And he fucking put his starting rock in there. So it wouldn't despawn. God damn it. Man. The fuck? Where's all my loot,
Damn.
asshole? Need more arrows.
By the way, Devin, if I wanted to play a game like Rust, you know what I'd play?
Daisy.
No.
What?
Something that I already have. That's, you know,
And that would be?
it's called Gary's Mod.
Oh.
It's called
You
the
did.
survival thing on Gary's Mod. I'm just saying, it's pretty similar.
But it's no Rust.
And it's I already have it. It wouldn't cost me any money.
I don't like to talk when I'm farming animals and trees and stones.
Tree stuff.
Yeah, stoof. What the fuck? Someone's been here.
I'm gonna do shit. In between my feed of beast episodes, I'm gonna go do shit without recording. Like fix the hole in the ground. If there's a hole in the ground somewhere from recording.
Jacob, I have an idea.
What, Davin?
Go watch your own fucking episode. So you can figure out what the hell you did.
For what?
I don't know. Whatever.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Feed the Beast, there you go. Go watch your own Feed the Beast episode so you figure out what the hell you did. So you can put it in the description.
Already watched. Already did.
Go watch the next one.
Why would I do that? I don't need to do it for another week.
You lazy ass.
I don't need to do it for a week. Why would I do it right now?
Don't know.
I edit stuff a day before it gets uploaded, okay? Unless it was, you know, day. Well, I edited it. I just didn't make the thumbnail. You know.
Oh, shit. My episodes ring a little long. I
Feed.
didn't do anything.
Beast takes forever to load up. Holy shit.
God damn it, Jacob. I didn't do anything in this fucking map. I seriously fucking went and looted a
Not
bunch
my
of shit.
problem.
So it's like, I'm just fucking getting supplies. Oh, there's a wolf. That's nice.
You gonna die again?
I don't have a bow this time. I am bleeding though.
Oh,
Yeah!
a bow.
Deal with it, asshole.
Ooh. Ooh.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Alright. Give me all these ores.
I don't get this. I need stone to make arrows, okay? But the tips are wooden.
Glass can go in here. Redstone.
I don't want to fucking mine the tree.
Oh, I should put these. Yes, you do, Davin.
No, I want the fucking pig. I want a furnace. So I can start making weapons.
See.
And start kicking someone's ass.
No weapons. No weapons for Devin. Blub 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 blub. Blub 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 blub. Blub 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 blub. Blub 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 blub.
That's really annoying.
Okay. Blub 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 blub. Blub. Oh my god. Alright. What's in here?
Oh,
Cobble. What's in here? Dirt. Okay, put dirt there.
I need to go make a
Okay.
chicken.
I'm gonna grab this cobble. Okay.
Look, guys, raw chicken,
Run.
raw chicken breast. I would have never.
Look, guys,
guessed.
if you put raw chicken in a furnace, you get cooked chicken.
No way. Oh,
I know, right?
oh, I found
Crazy.
someone's workbench. Yeah. I can make pipe shotgun right now. Now I need to make handheld shells. How many, Jacob? Never mind.
How many what?
Never mind. Okay. Just never mind.
Okay.
I can only make 7.
I see.
Now I have a gun. I should go shoot someone. But there's only one other person online.
Shoot someone. Oh, that's why that's there. Well,
Oh my god, that reload though. I think this is the first time I actually needed the pipe shotgun. I found a P250. Yeah! Yeah, now I got a fucking pistol I can use. Fuck the pipe shotgun. God damn it.
wow. Just nope.
I fucking hate the pipe shotgun. You need to be within like 2 meters of them to fucking kill
Ow!
them.
What skeleton? No. Gee. Leave me alone. Trying to get some cobblestone here.
I need mods for this
I
game.
want to finish.
I want a light mod.
Gavin.
I want a light mod.
Oh, light mod. You don't want to place torches?
You can't place torches in this game. You can place campfires.
Well, that's gay.
You can also put a flashlight on your gun. Or, you know, make a torch.
Okay, that's better.
And run right over the fucking... Oh, I got rad pants. Sweet. You know, I used to run around in fucking radiation gear all the time. But now they added the durability
Then
crit.
you took an arrow to the knee.
That shit fucking kills you, man. 2 arrows will kill someone in this game.
Really?
Yeah. And it's like one of the easiest tools to make.
I see.
I have fucking 70 rounds of 5.56 ammo. Do I have anything that can shoot it? No. No, I don't. I'm sorry, viewers, you can't see shit.
Hey, I got some advice for you, by the way.
And that would be?
This time, your voice. You should definitely have it in your video.
You're an ass. Just bail. I can't see my target. And I hear bear. Oh, no fucking way. No. This is bullshit. Jacob, this is bullshit. My torch went out. I
Why?
can't see shit. God damn it. All I know is there's a building on my left up the road, and I gotta go right at that building. I hope that this building.
Someday, I will make this out of stone brick. Someday.
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
I'm dying.
I'm dying.
Gotta reload. I don't even care about the loot at the moment. Oh god, them frames. Shit! Help! God damn it.
I can't help you. How am I supposed to help you?
I'm gonna die. Man, every episode I have so far, I fucking die. God damn it.
Did you die?
No! But the wolf is on my ass. And I can't hit him. No! I'm gonna die. I can't see anything. I'm gonna fucking
Okay.
die. God damn it.
It's okay. I die a lot in my Feed the Beast.
But I have a gun. This is bullshit.
God. That's great, man.
I would end it here, but I kinda can't hit my end button. God damn it.
But damn it. It's been 20 minutes.
I know. Okay, I gotta go home. I think this is my home.
I think.
Leave a like if I
yeah,
find my
guys,
home.
This is my home. Leave a like. Don't leave a like. I'm just kidding.
I found my home, Jacob.
No.
I found it.
Did you?
I
Did you
did.
now?
You remember that rock? Oh no! God damn it!
Do you remember that? Oh
I don't want to. I don't want to respond at the moment. There's a wolf by my bed.
no!
So that was episode 2.
Yeah.
I died
Awesome.
again by a fucking wolf. It's by my bed. I can't do it, Jacob. I need to hit respawn and I can't. I need to. I can't. There's a fucking wolf at my fucking bed.
I see.
Okay, I see
How's
the
that movie going, by the way?
the move. What?
That movie that you were gonna go see.
Oh yeah.
How's it going? How's it going? Is it a good movie?
Yeah. I need to
I
sneak
see.
around this wolf.
What you
Nope.
watching?
Fucking bail. Here's my backpack. Okay. Yeah, this is my safe rock, okay? The wolf is supposed to be like, I can't hit him. Run away. I want my shit back, asshole. God damn it. My shit. This wolf is fucking cock blocking me. Go away.
Go ahead, or I shall taunt you a second time.
God damn it.
Oh my god. It's great, man. Great.
Oh shit! I broke my leg. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die again. Son of a bitch. Did the wolf go away?
Nope.
I bet not. I bet it's gonna run around the mountain. And if I can kick my ass. God damn it. Up. Fix legs. Fix my legs. Oh god.
You can't fix your legs. What the hell? That's terrible. Don't you? No.
Fix my
What?
legs, asshole.
Here, let me just fix my leg. Everything will be okay.
I'll
What
stand
the
up.
hell is that? It's bullshit.
I bandaged them. I'm not bleeding anymore. I fixed my legs. Jacob.
Oh no, it's okay. My leg's just broken. Gosh.
Jacob, I fixed my leg. I have another problem though.
Did you know?
I do. I have
Your
another
leg's
problem.
broken?
No. I don't know where the wolf went.
No, I think that's that's a pretty big problem.
My leg's not broken anymore. But Jacob, I have another problem.
What? That doesn't even make any sense.
What? Did I fix my
leg's
legs?
fine.
I'm fucking in the mountains, man.
Yeah.
I fix my legs.
You know. Eh.
God damn it! No! No! God damn it!
Yep.
Died
Did you
again.
die?
I died again. No! I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I have to go find where the fuck I am. God damn it. Bye.